Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to share with you my July Ipsy Unbagging. So if you guys want to find out what's in my Ipsy bag for this month, then just keep on watching. Alright, so here is the bag for this month. It's just this little blue bag. Let's see what the theme is for the month. Alright, so I think it's just like a summer related theme. It just says July 2018 and then it talks about ready to dive into summer, so like summertime, pool time kind of thing. And then the first thing in here is from La Butte Fatale. I think this might be a lipstick that's like super packaged up. Alright, so this is a super purple lipstick. It reminds me of, what is it? Up the Amp, I think, from MAC. I used to wear colors like this every single day, like 2 or 3 years ago, but ooh, that is like straight up pinky purple. I haven't worn a color like this in years. That is the color. It looks more of like a satin finish. I've never heard of this brand. Let me know if you guys have tried anything from them or you got anything from them in your bag for this month. All right, so next we have a product from H2O Beauty. I love their skincare products. I use so many of them, and this is their Ultra Hydrating Cream. I think maybe I do own this. I gotta see what it looks like and then I'll know. Yes, this is the one that is blue. This is like a daytime cream. I think I've gone through 1 or 2 full-size containers of this already. And I love the smell of this moisturizer. It just smells like very clean. It makes me feel super, super calm every time that I use this. But I think I've been out of it for a little while, but I know that I've at least used 1 full-size tube of this. So I'm excited to try it out again because I used it up because I liked it and I like the smell. Super, super lightweight, and I really, really love H2O Beauty products. I have a setting spray that I'm obsessed with. And then next I have something from the brand Mint Pear. This is the Rose Hip Night Serum. I want to say that an eye cream that I got in my Ipsy maybe last month was from this brand also. All right, so I totally broke the cap on this as I was like trying to open it, and I still can't figure it out because I think the cap is like stuck in the top of the bottle. I keep trying to put it on and it's not working out for me, so I'm just gonna let it be. But this is kind of like a little bit of an oil kind of product, and it smells like I could still like drop it onto my hand and use it that way. And it smells like super like herbal. It just has like a very strong herbal kind of like tea tree oil kind of scent. So, oh, it's Rose Hip. I'm not actually familiar with that scent, so maybe that's what it is. But for sure, that scent is definitely not my favorite. Let me know if you guys have tried out products from Mint Pear. Next up is a brush. Yes. Okay, so this is IBY Beauty. I've been wanting to try out their products. And this is just like a flat brush, an eyeshadow brush, which I always like to get. It has a little bit of an angle, so this is the kind of brush I like to use for like bread bone highlight or like inner corner highlight. Every single brush I ever get is my entire like brush collection basically. So I always love getting eyeshadow brushes. It doesn't say the name of the brush, but it's just like a flat eyeshadow brush. So that's probably my favorite product so far in this bag. And then lastly, we have something from Lorac. So this is, oh, they make such good eyeliner pencils. I used to have these. I haven't had one in forever. So this is, yeah, just a black eyeliner pencil. And yeah, they just have a really, really nice formula, but I don't think I've used one in like 2 years. Totally forgot about them. So let's see. Kind of reminds me, like, especially the packaging too of the Marc Jacobs eyeliner pencils. So it's a really, really creamy eyeliner. Glides on so nicely, and yeah, just like wipes away. Yeah, with like no effort whatsoever. I definitely remember loving their eyeliners a couple years ago, and I totally forgot about them. So I'm excited to have one again, especially in black, because I really just use black or brown eyeliner, sometimes purple, but really those two are my go-tos. But that is everything in my bag. It was like pretty not that exciting this month. The eyeliner, the brush are probably my favorites, and also the H2O Beauty Hydrating Cream, which I already know that I really, really like. And then the lipstick, the color is definitely not my favorite, but maybe I'll get back into that shade because I used to rock like really bold, bright pink, purple lips all the time. And then this, I'm still trying to figure out how to open. So yeah, let me know if you guys got that and what I'm supposed to do to fix the packaging on that, because It was me just trying to like yank it open in the moment, and I totally ruined it. But also the smell of the night serum, I really wasn't a fan of, so I will probably not end up using that, but I'll use pretty much everything else. We'll see about the lipstick, but definitely the moisturizer, the eyeliner, and I'm pretty sure this brush is gonna be a brush that I use every single day, just like all the other brushes I get in my Ipsy bags. But that is gonna be everything for my bag for July. Let me know what you guys got in your glam bags for this month in the comments down below. And if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll talk to you guys soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.